Good morning. Morning still. 10:40, yeah, still morning. A little bit late than I was hoping for, but we finally made it. Kow Swamp. We actually have stopped over at Mount Hope Creek. So we're going to put in here. Looks like a nice little spot in the background just here. We'll try and paddle down. Hopefully we can get to Kow Swamp from here. If not, we'll be in Mount Hope Creek. But yeah, happy days. Alright, kayak's packed, ready to head out. I've never fished in this spot, so this is another new one for me. Obviously the target species, Murray cod and yellowbelly, redfin. That's pretty much it. I like even a carp, that'd be nice, but yeah, this is going to be an interesting one. Let's go. So as you can tell from the paddling, possibly the heavy breathing, I haven't got a motor on the kayak today, only because you cannot have a motor on your boat or vessel in Kow Swamp. So I'm not in Kow Swamp at the moment, I'm in Mount Hope Creek, but just in case I do get that far into Kow Swamp, I decided not to put a motor on. Plus it's good to get some exercise, no harm in that. Beautiful day too, probably the best day we've had in a very long time. So current setup is a rod out at either side. On the left hand side I got a old mate, 15 foot I think, and on this side I think that's an old mate as well, just a small purple one. So targeting reddies on the right, cod, yellowbelly on the left. Bit harder without a motor. I've mentioned in some of my previous videos how my partner Sarah always manages to guess how many fish I'm going to catch for the trip, and we came up with a little phrase for it. It's her interfishing, not intuition, interfishing. So Sarah's interfishing for this trip was one fish that I'll only just get, whatever that means. So maybe I'll hook one and lose one, but don't know. I am going to prove her wrong today, I reckon. Or hopefully that's the goal. Let's get 10. Let's prove Sarah's interfishing wrong. My interfishing is minimum of 10. Come on, let's do this. Looks like the pelicans have set up a bit of a toll point. Got nothing to give yous yet, buddies? Been trolling for about just over 40 minutes. Oh, actually, just under 40 minutes. And we are nearly in the inlet of Kow Swamp. No bites yet on the lures, but we'll keep trolling for a little while, and we might pull up somewhere and do a bit of bait fishing. See if that entices them anymore. Weed? Weed or a fish? What is it? Oh, it's a fish. We got one, everyone. Oh, it's a turtle. You're kidding. What? You are kidding me. Oh, what? I've never seen a turtle caught on a lure like that. That's... Oh, alright, I better get him off. Come here, buddy. Oh, do you ever smack at it? Alright, that is a first. Oh, I can't believe that. Yeah, it's definitely a first for me. Turtle on a lure. That's unreal. Oh well, at least it's not a empty-handed trip. Downside of paddling is I don't have either rod in my hand. Like, I like to feel what's going on. So I'm constantly looking back and forwards, seeing what each rod is doing. I'd much prefer to be holding it, but that's what we got to do, and we're making it work. Just coming into Kow Swamp now. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That's why we do it. Being in places like this, it's awesome. So we've been trolling for a little over an hour now. Might pull up to this log just here and tie up and have a bit of a bait fish. See how deep it is, see what's around. So same bait setup as last video, haven't changed anything. So we got a hook with worms on the bottom, cheese on top. Oh, that didn't... That's not very deep at all. What's that? A foot? Interesting. Alright, we'll cast out a bit, see if it's any different. We might have to paddle out a bit further. Not very deep at all. That's alright. I might just stay here for a couple of minutes and we'll try and move out maybe a bit deeper. This is how I like to do it though. I'm not a big fan of the live scoping stuff or anything like that. I even sort of not too sure about the fish finders either. I'd probably only use that to know how deep the water is. But I just like to get out and figure it out on my own. Definitely not going to catch as many fish that way, but that doesn't matter. It's just all about the experience and figuring it out for yourself. I don't mind if I get a few less fish. One would be nice every now and then, but yeah, it's just nice to get out, isn't it? Might actually test to see how deep it is, not with a fish finder, but with me oar. Let's go. To there. What's that? To where my hand is, a little over a metre, probably 1200. Not terrible. Could be worse. At least I know I can just stand up if I fall in. No, it's not an ideal spot because there's barely any structure around and fish love structure, as we all know. But yeah, I'm also just wanted to see what this place looked like out in the middle. I haven't been here for 20 years, maybe more. Yeah, I just wanted to come and see. Looks awesome. When I head back to the car, I'll troll for a little bit like I was on the way here and might tie up somewhere in that Mount Hope Creek. That looked like a good spot. Good little area as well. Actually, I might flick. I've got a twin spin carp coloured spinnerbait. Spinnerbait? Yeah, I think so. But I'll flick around for a bit. Ready for action. Let's do it. gone back into Mount Hope Creek, so I'll start the paddle back to the car, do a bit of trolling. I'll tie up at a spot and just see how the bait fishing is in this area. And I'll pull up at this log just here and do a bit of a bait fish. Just had a bit of a nibble. Something playing with it. Unless it's a turtle. Just saw a big carp jump out of the water next to me, so I thought I'd chuck my rod over here to see if I can get it to get on my hook. Still jumping out of the water out there. Unfortunately, it's that time that I have to make the call. Start the troll back to the car and time to head home. No finned fish yet. Just the turtle. Saw another carp just jump out of the water up there. They are in here. No luck fishing wise. Let's see if I have more luck getting out of the kayak. Ooh. Oh. Too easy. Kayak is back on the ute, ready to go home. So no fish again. I promise you one day I will catch a fish. We got a turtle, so not completely, fishless. Well, it is fishless. Not completely a waste of time. But yeah, it's a great spot out here. It looks really good. I'm keen to be coming back out here when the weather's a bit warmer. And I saw these when I came in. I'm sure it's a lot of other people's pet peeve, but it's a pet peeve of mine. Litter. I hate it. If you can't pick up after yourself when you're coming out to do anything in the outdoors, don't bother coming, because you're just going to ruin it for the rest of us. Pick up your rubbish. All right. See you in the next one.